Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. We had a fantastic week last week, and this week we started very, very good also. Um, let's take a look at the euro. This channel has been quite brutal on the downside, but we've hit some major levels, right? So, this was our support area. A short term relief could be in play, obviously. This is the first time when a daily candle closes out of the channel. So, this is some good news, to be honest. But I think we either reach parity and then come back, retest, or even retest the trend line. It will really depend how it will bounce, if it bounces like this from the trend line. So we'll see. There are a lot of central banks that are on these days. Today we have Bank of Canada, tomorrow we have ECB, on Friday we have Bank of Japan, on Tuesday I think we have RBA, on Tuesday next week, sorry, RBA. And on Wednesday we have the biggest one, FOMC, and then Bank of England, right? So this, if you want my opinion, obviously I think this is looking starting to look like we've hit a major resistance area. So obviously right now I will be trying to intraday trade some shorts on the euro. I'm holding some small positions from here. Uh, if we break higher and we kind of like go without any pullbacks or anything, I will just exit the position. But for now, let's leave it like this. Um, I don't think it will move higher without any catalyst. To be honest, this is a very, very, very strong area. And if we take the swing high from here, let's see where we at. So we are way past below the midpoint, which is great. Um, Let me see. So yeah, there is still a little room, but overall, we just have to be careful from here. Um, we had some great trades. This was my trade from yesterday. Um, this one I exit 1.4. This one is a missed trade, but this one was a very, very good trade. I also had British pound, which was amazing. The Australian dollar, unfortunately, I missed most of my trades here. Missed. I think this is gonna get going at least to six 0.65 379. So this will be our area where we have to watch. Right now we are at some resistance here. So this is our resistance area, breaks above, holds, and then we can look for longs. Okay. Not much to say. So it's gonna be something like this. Break, hold. If I see something like this, then yeah, I will take the trade. But for now, I'm just gonna be patient. I don't want to rush into anything, right? DXY, as you can see, it starts to hit some major support here. So we have to be very, very careful. Let me see the daily. So it's the same. If it has like a small pop, so this will be our pop, and then we can take it from here. If it breaks this area here, this support area, then we will definitely look for longs in the dollar. Sorry, for shorts in the dollar. And if we hold and kind of like go back, we will definitely look for longs. But for now, just be a bit patient. Don't rush into trades. The British pound has been a fantastic, fantastic trade. Um, I could have held this longer, but it's okay. I booked 7R. I could have done what 12. It's okay. 7. It's okay. I'm happy with 7. 7.13. All of these trades were called live, so there is nothing to hide. I also posted the entries and exit in the group. So if you if you want to check it out, you're more than welcome to join. If not, just I hope you enjoy these updates. The 10-year yields are falling down. Um, well, we kind of expected somehow, but I said this can grind higher. It's just been only like what 2 days of going down. Not not necessarily a pullback, but still it's a beginning, right? As I said many times, we are at some key resistance area here. So obviously, the market reacted. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, the Japanese yen, man, we had some very, very good trades here also. Um, Unfortunately, this one I really missed a 100R trade, but it's fine. We took this trade yesterday. Same stuff. I think now it's gonna cool off. We're gonna definitely hit these lows here. So if there is another short, we kind of missed the entry. So that would be the entry here, like this, and these lows. But for now, like entering here, it doesn't make any sense anymore. So for now, we're just gonna sit and wait for the market to give us some clues of what's gonna happen next. S&P, um, well, we had some earnings yesterday. Everything was a bit except Google. So I don't know why the market reacted like that, but uh, I think if we're gonna build for the next leg higher, we have some more downside, especially here on the Nasdaq. I will look for longs if we come into this area. If we kind of me like this somehow. Let me put it on the hourly, maybe it works better. So if we're gonna get some sort of bounce from here, then I will take it, gladly take it. Definitely, you don't want to be short from here. So if we do something like this, we get some sort of confirmation, then boom, up we go. So we can take a trade, but on S&P, not Nasdaq. If we come back, uh, no, I'm not gonna take a long here. But yeah, if this comes back, like I said, I will probably take a long here. This is the setup, so this is what I'm looking for. If we take this high here, um, that's it. This will be the trade that we will be taking if we get everything right. If not, we just gonna sit on our hands. Bitcoin, man, monster trades, boys. I told you in the last update, if this gets moving, it's not gonna give you any pullbacks or anything. It actually, fuck. I said I will take a long if we get into this 9700 or something. But yeah, well, it's okay. I missed this long here, no problem. But we took this 13-hour trade. This is where I booked 1 3, and then I left the position 10%, and I booked another 0.5%, 5% out of the position at 20k 400. Um, Let me write down. Oh, our final target is 21. We will take it from 21 and see what's gonna happen. But as it looks, to be honest, this I think it will push higher, 21, maybe even higher. I mean, if it breaks this range, pretty much nothing up until like here, 21k. So 21k is our area to watch. To be honest, I think this can push all the way to 20k, 22,100 or 22k. Sorry, my tongue was speaking faster than my mind. Um, so in mana we took a -1 hour trade, but look at this, man. We kind of got stopped on what? Fucking mail, man. I hate when this happens, but it's part of the game, right? Oh, we got stopped on. Oh my god, man. What the hell is this? Okay. Well, it happens, right? Um, but we could have been in this very, very good trade. I didn't re enter. I should have re entered here, but I wasn't watching the markets at this time. I wasn't watching crypto markets at this time. I was more focused on currencies. Well, Ethereum, I think. Well, this was our planned trade. It actually didn't give us what we wanted, and it went. So it's okay. We also missed this one. It happens. You cannot take all the trades in the world, um, but we've made fantastic returns. I think doing all these like what three here, um, seven here. That's 10 already. uh, 5, 15. So Bitcoin. Oh yeah, we did a lot of ours. So not much to uh, 28 here. Sorry, 28 R. So 28 R in just 3 days. That's very very good. Can't complain. So Paddy, you asked me about something, so I really want to show you. So you see the dollar, um, like coming down. This is how you spot a breakout, right? On Bitcoin. So you see the dollar coming down. It's been coming down from last Friday, and if you look at Bitcoin, it didn't do anything, right? Let's take a look at stocks. They rallied also from Friday, 7%, right? So when you go back here and you look at Friday, you see like it rallied, but not as you would have expected. It was only 3%, and then we had some pop on Sunday, and then down. And you see like this, Bitcoin usually tends to lag, but when it breaks, it's very very violent. So based on like everything that was, I look at the yields and everything. So they come down, and I see Bitcoin is not doing anything. Obviously, I'm gonna buy it because I know it's gonna break. It has to break. If it doesn't, then well, I'm wrong on my idea. But most of the time, um, this is what happens. Um, it it breaks later. Sometimes it leads S&P, sometimes it lags. All you have to do is read the signs and kind of gauge your risk, right? So I just so you know here, I bailed. I was in from here, I think, and I bailed in around here. I said I can't take this shit anymore. If it's not going up, I'm not gonna take any trade. It did this pop, and I saw it here, and I said, you know what? It's worth the risk to put my stop loss below this meme triangle trend line, right? So that's how I planned this trade. But I have in back of my head everything, like what's happening on the macro level. We had this what's his name? Nick Timiaros, right? This guy is telling that the Feds should slow down at the next meeting before the elections. Uh, nah, I don't think the Fed will do anything, guys. In terms of data, we see a slowdown in the US economy, which is a positive for the other assets as everything has been overstretched. So, if we look at here at PMIs, that's a very, very, this is contraction territory, this is recession territory. But ISM needs to be below 50 to kind of like look at housing. It's this is a leading indicator for the economy. So everything doesn't look too well for like the manufacturing index. These are low tier data, but it's actually leading data, right? So this shows what happens in the economy now. So it's very, very important to be on to understand this data, right? Um, yeah, that's it for today. If we break here, if you want to take a long, if it comes a bit down, I would say this is your long to 21K, right? Sorry, 21. So if it comes down, this will be your long. But just be careful how you tailor your trade at this point here, right? But overall, I think we've had some very, very good weeks. I hope we can keep at it. If not, when I will take this trade, I will let you know if I will add to my position or not. So have a great evening. As I said here, I'm short on on the euro. So I have small positions all the way up here to 150. I get paid to hold these positions, so I'm okay. If it breaks here, I'm gonna lose 0.25% out of my account. So not a big loss, okay? Take care, and if you have any questions, I will gladly answer them in the group. I will be watching the markets and I'll let you know if I post any trades. Have a great day.